I think this raised bed has reached its life end. It has reached its expiry date. As you can see, look at this. It is completely, utterly gone. It is completely, utterly gone. So tomorrow, I'm putting it down and I'm replacing it. And if you want to know how to build one for yourself, tune in tomorrow. You will see how I built these guys. But tomorrow I'm using different materials. I'm not using pallet wood or pallet planks. Tomorrow I'll be using poles to rebuild this guy here so that my wife can have